Hello, Sehome Mariner families. We would like to welcome you to the 2019-2020 school year. I'm Sonia Bell, and it is my privilege to be the principal here at Sehome High School. I would like you to meet my team.
I'm Mike Kudo, one of the assistant principals at Sehome High School. I work with families with the last name A through K.
Hi, I'm Bethany Barrett, and I'm another assistant principal at Sehome High School, and I get to work with students and families with the last name L through Z. We are excited for a new school year, and we hope that your student has a year full of amazing learning and meaningful relationships. Please reach out to us if you have any questions or need support.
On October 2nd, Sehome is opening an open house for parents. This is an opportunity for families to meet their students' teachers and get an idea of the different learning opportunities that their students are participating in.
The schedule for the evening will have families starting in their students' anchor class, which is their 9th period. Please have your student text their schedule to you, or write it down, or you can look up their schedule in Skyward.
Please park in the main parking lot and use the main entrance as you enter the building. Arrive on time so that you don't miss any time with your students' teachers. There will be students around the building to help you navigate our new space. The PTSA will have an information table and have generously donated cookies and other snacks throughout the evening.
As you attend your child's classes, you can ask some of the following questions. What curriculum is taught in this class, and how will you assess my child's learning?
What are some ways I can help my child at home?
What's the best way to communicate with my teachers? We're now about a month into school, and we hope that your student is having a great start. Maybe your student has found a sport, activity, or club that meets their interests. Here are just a few of them. If we don't have a club that meets your student's interests, they can start a new club. Please have your student talk to a staff member, maybe their anchor teacher, to see about starting a new club.
We are really looking forward to the 2019-2020 school year, and we have a few events coming up in the next few weeks that you will not want to miss.
Homecoming week is right around the corner. It starts October 7th and goes through the 12th. Our first events will be our dress-up days that will happen throughout the school day. On Friday, we will have an amazing tailgate that will be hosted in our bus loop. PTSA is donating hot dogs and other food items. Then we will caravan all the way down to Civic Field, where we will have our football game at 7 o'clock. Please join us for all parts of this activity. We also will wrap up our amazing homecoming events with a dance in our very own commons. Do not join us for that part. We will be hosting your children and having an incredible dance experience right here in our own commons.
We also have many other events coming up this fall, with concerts, sporting events, as well as Treasure Island performed by our own theater department. See you October 2nd. You're totally off script. I don't even know where you're.
Hosting an open house.
This is October 2.
Do you want to practice?
No, I just need to not look at you guys. Who says October 2?
We don't have one that.
So you don't miss out with any. All right, please. It also says please. Please try to arrive on time.
No.
Go.
Keep rolling. That was great.